It's noodle time. And again, as I said, it's Japanese noodle time. Some of my favorite things to eat and cook and share with my family. So we're gonna cook 3 things today. Madaling-madali, pero unusual. Meaning, hindi mo lang basta-basta nakikita. But again, like any of my recipes, todo sarap. We're gonna make Carbonara Udon. So, kung type niyo yung carbonara at type niyo yung udon, this is the bowl for you. Second, we're making a classic beef udon soup. So, very simple but very heartwarming. And the last one is I'm gonna make a mazemen, which is a dry type of ramen na super sarap na toppings and super craveable. So all those 3 things we're gonna make here at Noodle Time. Only here at the Bailiwick Academy.